Winifred, this one you are here like this. What's the problem? Hello, Fina. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Why are you like this now?
See, Abaya, I have not paid my school fees. I'm disturbing me.
You should have told me. Now, me, I have not paid too. But I'm a big boy. I can pay anytime I want. Now, sir, even like today, now me, I brought my own school fees. But since you have not paid, I will give you my school fees. I'll give you my school fees. Just to prove to you that I like you. You don't know me. When I like somebody, I used to like that person with everything in me. You will know that there's nothing I cannot do for love. Ha. When I love somebody,
thank you.
Hey, Pina, did you see what just happened here? I paid Winifred's school fees.
Why are you not telling me?
I've been begging you since to date me in this school and like me. You are there, Shakara, you are there, Shakara.
I did not come to this school to do myself. I came to this school to learn, so please leave me alone. Yes.
About half time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your
bid.
Yes.
Taking care of my business. You are there, you are misbehaving.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
This one you are gallivanting at the gate. Are you aware today is exam day?
Yes, sir.
You are aware?
Yes, sir.
Have you all paid your school fees?
Yes, sir.
Because if you are paying now, exam starts, you have to wait till next year.
Exactly.
Because exam starts today. I'm begging you. Your father always pays school fees promptly.
Yes, sir.
So my appeals to you, don't fail this exam.
Yes, sir.
Make your parents proud.
Okay,
Get inside.
Yes, sir. Sir, I paid last week.
Get inside.
Thank you, sir.
Where is your school fees?
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Good morning. So,
What is it this time around?
I brought my school fees.
Oh, you brought it.
But
Let me see your certificate. Okay. You brought your...
Hi, sir.
Bring it now. Let me...
Winifred.
Yes.
The principal that...
What happened? Am I your father? Am I your mother? Am I the one that will pay your school fees?
Winifred.
Am I your level?
Get
Winifred!
Jesus!
What's up,
What's up, your man? What about the school fees now? Is it the one paying your school fees?
No, sir.
Okay. Stay there.
Sir?
You have wasted a year in your life.
Hello, sir. I said that I cannot...
Exactly.
Mo gbé wọn handicap. Mo kọ́kọ́ gbé ngogo. Kò lọ. Mo gbé one boy. Mo gbé. No.
Kokena tamazu nangega.